Okay, so just to get this out of the way, this is not a review video by any means, because currently right now, this is kind of what it looks like outside. And it's middle of November when I'm shooting this, and the weather's just getting cooler and cooler and cooler, and I'm hoping to be able to get the bike out, but weather just hasn't agreed with me too much. So we may be able to get it before the season ends. Fingers crossed. We'll see. But today we're going to unbox this just so you guys can get an idea of what comes with it. We'll take a look at Lexin's website and Lexin's Amazon listing, and again see what comes in this box. Okay, so first off, it seems a little strange to me, but when you're actually on Lexin's website, the Lexin GTX here, right? It's I don't see it anywhere. Lexin G16, the new G16 B4FM Pro accessory kit, the FT4 Pro. Um, I just don't see it, right? And if I search over here, maybe it's somewhere else. Maybe if I GTX, sorry, no, it seems strange to me. I'm not 100% sure why, but on Amazon, you're seeing it here. 829 reviews, 4.5 stars right now. $198 US with a $20 off coupon. So that's kind of good. And that's for the dual pack. That's for this pack right here, right? If you're just looking at a single one, it just, do they have a single? $108. So, you know, if you have a friend, which it's always good if you're riding to have a friend, right? 10 rider communication set. Noise canceling mic, universal motorcycle intercom, 6 shells, hi-fi music, IP67 waterproof, hands-free, GPS. It's got all the goodies. I'm not going to read through all this, but a few things here. It does say 10 rider group intercom supporting much longer talk range. They say 1.2 miles or 2,000 meters, 2 kilometers. It says with 2 riders, 500 meters. So I'm guessing as you have more riders, they kind of bounce off each other, is my guess. Universal pairing and noise canceling, which is kind of nice. Hi-fi stereo, so they got upgraded speakers, which is good. Multifunctional and IP67 rated. And they say that you can actually use these snowmobiling, if you're into that, down to minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's good, and excellent reviews. Again, we hope to take this out for a ride at some point. When, I don't know, but today this is the box. I pretty much, that's all I use really permanently on my helmets are Lexin comms. I just find for the price, bang for buck, they're super hard to beat. They've never let me down. They work really good. Currently, I actually use, I think they have here, the FT4 Pros. It's currently what I have on it. And actually, I have on one of my helmets, the B4FMs. So I kind of have a mix of both. But this is the box inside the box. Kind of a cool little, I like the fact that it seems a little more low profile, right? Which actually is, which is kind of nice. And if you can get 10 riders, not that I have 10 riders that I don't even think I know 10 riders, really. Not, I used to, not since we've moved, right? All right, so here we go. Lexin. Here's the difference. That's going to get in the way. I don't think so. Yeah, see, those are definitely, I want to say slimmer, smaller, tidier. They'll be a little nicer, I think, on your helmet. They're in there. They're in there. And I'm going to figure out how to get them. Okay. We'll just take one out for now. Just taking one out for now. We'll look at these accessories in a second, but that's it right there. Yeah. I like that. This supposedly I think is interchangeable. Buttons up top, so you guys can see the buttons up there, right? That's kind of nice. Nice clicks. Looks like it may be the same kind of mounting system that all the Lexins. I hope they are, because then it's nice if you have some of the old ones or whatever. It's easy to just pop them off and pop them on. As well as, you know, for me that has multiple helmets, you could just get a bunch of mounts and just kind of click. On the back here, you should have, this is going to go, it looks like, says a helmet, so I'm guessing this is going to be the connector to like your speakers and all that kind of stuff would be my guess. Can we pull that off? Can that come off? It's in there. So waterproofing wise, I'd say that's really good, because whatever's that's really in there. What is do you see that? Is that supposed to come out? My guess is it's supposed to come out. You know, let's just try this one, because maybe it is, maybe it isn't. It's a rubber. Why would they? Maybe it's a button. Oh, never mind. Don't pull that out. That's a button. My guess would be that would turn the comms on. So yeah, don't. Even after me yanking on it, still good. This one comes out. That makes more sense. And there's your USB-C. So that's going to be, of course, where your headphones can plug in. All your headphones and microphone and all that are going to plug into one cable, which is kind of nice. And that's going to be what charges it. But yeah, I do like, just make sure it seals good, right? I do like the size. You guys can see that right there. You know, that's nice. That's a great size for sure. It is that weird kind of like piano black, so a little smudgy, but it's not a helmet. Who cares, right? And we got two of them, so that's kind of nice. You also get, it is packaged nice, I'll give it that. You do get accessory pack number one, and that comes with a bag. Oh, so that's going to be, there's going to be like your speaker, your mic, your USB. This is all going to be that's connected to it. And this, as far as I can tell, will be, yeah, so it looks like it's, you know, two setups, because you see two mics, but it's two different styles of mics. One set of earbuds, right, and a little sticky pad for sticking these inside your helmet. So my guess is that's going to be packed for one of them, and then the other one will be packed for the other one. You know, my guess would be this is just the same, but for number two, yeah, so it's the exact same. So yeah, and then you got your, what I didn't see in that, but it's in this one as well. So that's going to be your USB to USB-C for charging. So yeah, that's good. You know what? You don't need anything else. You're golden. You're good to go. And it comes in a nice box, so you know that everything's kind of there. One pack has one thing, one pack has the other thing. So you can easily pop those in, like me, where I don't even know if I'm going to be able to put these on this season. It may be something that I can put these back in here and wait till next year. How to use, that's a good size manual. Multi-languages, you can see the little color coding at the top for the different languages, right? Which is cool. So really you're looking at, this would be like English right there, but that's a fair bit. It's 19 pages, but that's a good size manual, which I love. Like, the print is good, very thought out, laid out really nice. Like, you should have no problems going through this if you're a manual reader, which sometimes it's good, especially on comms, because there's a lot of like single click does one thing, double click does another thing, click and hold does another thing, right? Talks about your battery, your headset, function priorities, etc., etc. Yeah, no, that's good. I wish I could tell you more, but again, for right now, currently it's plus 7 degrees Celsius, so not overly warm, and it's raining. We haven't got a snow warning or anything like that, so that's good. And there is some possibility this coming week, maybe, hopefully, that we could get a day that's, I won't even say warm, because we had some really nice warm days in the past few weeks, but are like 9 or 10 degrees as highs with no rain. That's the big one. I don't want to be going out when it's like 4 or 5 degrees and it's raining. So we'll see if we can get these out before the end of the season. If not, I will make sure first thing next season, I guess, is to take these out for a rip. All right, my friends, that's it. If you have any questions on any of the Lexin gear, I've been really happy with them since I've used them for, I don't know, past 3, 4, 5 years. I can't even remember. And just so you guys know, Lexin also just started making some other gear. I'm just seeing if I can find it here. Yeah, so see this right here? This Lexin Smart Tire Pump. So Lexin sent us this, but they sent us 2 additional ones to give away to our followers. So this video hopefully will be coming out in a couple days. We'll just kind of do another unboxing because it's a tire pump. We'll go through some of the features just to show it to you. But I'm going to be giving away 2 of these in that video. Well, not in that video, but I'll tell you how to possibly win one of those. And we're going to try to give it away before the end of the year, 2022, depending on when you guys are watching this video. All right, guys, that's it. This is the GTX from Lexin. And stay tuned for the Lexin Smart Tire Pump. Oh, yeah, with giveaway. Yeah, we're doing that. All right, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell. And we will see you guys tomorrow. Later.